So today we're doing a 3406 cat. It is on a 1990 Ford dump truck. So our problem here, we're going to pan down. As you can see, somebody didn't tighten the exhaust bolts up very well. And so they're supposed to be, it's saying like 41 foot-pounds, and I mean, there's like really nothing. So as you can see what it's doing, literally just burning the gasket, just blowing right out the gasket like nothing. So this is my little project for the day, just simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna take the whole manifold out. As you can see, I took 3 out, pried the 1 out, and just simple little pry job. Move it out. I'm gonna slide the new gasket in, then I'm gonna move to the next one. I'm gonna, once I get like the back 2 in, I'll put the gaskets in. Then I'll move into the center ones. I'll put new gaskets in, I'll loosen up the center ones, pry just a little bit, and then I'll get up here to the front. I'll do the same thing. I'll get the front gaskets out, and I get everything bolted back in, and I'll bolt everything the way it's supposed to be, and hopefully no exhaust leaks. So it's the project I didn't do. Somebody else put it together. They put a new head in here, bringing this whole girl to life. It runs nice, but she's a single turbo, so she isn't really that bad. So I'll show you a couple more things as we're going, but it's a pretty simple job, and we'll move on. So basic gist of how I'm digging these out, because they're not really sealed in there properly. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a pry bar, I am just sticking it in here ever so carefully, just to get a little bit of movement, just get just enough movement out of this. And then I'm going to take a screwdriver, and we'll take the screwdriver and we'll move the gasket, and it'll just pry down in there. But hard to do this with freaking get old corpse up on here at the moment. So alright, so we pried that one out. So that's basically the gist. You can see it's got some blow by coming out of it. So it's not that bad. I guess we're just going to do 2 gaskets because it's not looking like the other gaskets are. So it's just a quick repair. Slap this back together. We'll test drive her, see how she's making out. So then basically I just slide it down in there. I catch it with the just slowly enough so I can catch it with the bolt, and I get the stud to catch it, and then I will stick it through the bottom, line the bottom one up, basically the same thing. And I'm gonna put these back in, so I didn't put any effort into this one, and we're gonna torque her down and we're good to go, and then we're gonna go out and test drive this thing.